Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to show you how I put together this run and gun video camera rig for the Nikon Z6 Mark III. Let's go. Okay, let's first start with the cage. So everything you're going to build is going to be centered around the camera and the cage. Before you set it up, there's like two little screws here that you could take out with this. In order for the camera to sit perfectly, I would recommend taking those little screws out first. Make sure it's nice and flush to the camera body. There we go. Cool. From there, there we go. Now, being that this is the core of your entire rig, I would say make sure it's extra tight. Make sure, there we go. So you'd have to take it all apart if the camera starts shaking later on. That would be annoying. Cool. So for me, I generally like to have this out just for quick access to my screen and give me more unique positions in order to view my video. Now from here, cool. Now, here's a feature I really like on this top handle. See that? That helps to make sure your monitor or anything you have mounted here, maybe a microphone, doesn't slide out if it gets loosened. So that's really cool. That's a feature I don't have on my other small rig top handles. This one clicks right in, and as you can see, I didn't even tighten it yet, and it's locked into place. Okay, so that's pretty cool right there. Then I'll screw that on nice and tight. Cool. So I have that. Awesome. Let's move this. Now let's add some sound. And then I always try to pay attention to cable management the best I can. I want it to be out of my way and where my hands may go so I don't accidentally pull it out and slow me down when it comes to using my camera. So USB-C into the USB-C port. There's the power. You gotta have a battery, an ENEL15C battery in here, so that it's continuously being recharged by the V-mount battery. So just remember to have both batteries in there. So far, it looks pretty cool, as you can tell. Pretty cool. Now let's power up the monitor. Oops. I get a dummy battery like this. It's a MPF550 dummy battery with a plug at the end. And it's only like $25, I believe, or $15. $15 to $20, one of the two. I just put that there. I take that. I wrap it around the top handle one time, just so I don't have a bunch of cable just hanging around, hanging and dangling. And then I put it right here into the 8 volt, Boom, that's for that. USB-C for the camera, and then 8 volt for the monitor. And this particular shotgun mic, the VM30, has a built-in battery, and when it's connected, I believe it's like 18 hours of battery life. So as long as you have it connected, it's powered through the camera, so when you turn it off, the mic turns off as well, and therefore it keeps the charge a lot longer. Okay, otherwise it's Bluetooth. It does come with a receiver if you want to do that, but then you only have about, I think, 8 hours worth of battery life. So I keep it connected. It's not a big deal. The entire kit you see right here is powered all by this 99 watt mini V-mount battery. So you can have a nice run and gun camera rig that I just put together in minutes for the Nikon Z6 Mark III with the monitor, sound, got your sound, got follow focus. If you want to shoot autofocus, obviously that's one less thing on your rig, and then everything powered by this V-mount battery. This is a kick-ass rig. Okay, obviously you could change the lens if you want. Let me know what you think of this camera rig that I just put together using the Z6 Mark III. Did I miss anything? What would you add? What would you subtract? Either way, let me know down below. And of course, if you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more, don't forget to press that like, that share, that subscribe, and yes, hit the bell icon to get more juicy content from yours truly. Until next time, keep shooting, stay creative.